Welcome back to the RC Mag Controllers, guys. Just going to have a day out bashing. We've got the BSR Berserker out, as you can see, and we've got the Trophy Truggy out. That's running on 6S, and that is running on
4S.
So we're going to have a bit of fun, do a bit of bashing. Hope you like it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. I realise I've got no clue what's over there. I'm just wondering what would that be like to go up there. Did you do it? I'm going to come up it.
Are you?
Yeah. You ready for this?
I'll see this. I'm going to get this on this side.
Grass is too long.
Not going up.
I'll let you do that. Hang on.
I've got a feeling this is going to be a bad idea.
Oh. You ready? Here's John attempting to jump off. Oh. Hey, that was a good jump, that dude. That grass was short there.
It's short here, but I don't want to get it wrong because if it gets caught, there's a metal post here.
Did you go full throttle off there?
Oh yeah, and I kept the full throttle on all the way over.
Mine's too fast to go full throttle. I'll kill mine, you watch. You ready? Go away, you get down here, you cheat. That's where I had to stand. Yours keeps coming backwards. Gonna have another go. Towards you. Coming at you.
Kept your tail down. You went as you're coming over.
Couldn't see it.
Yeah, you've got to stand on the edge where I did. You're gonna have to let it go because you're coming over and you're going like that. And
I let go of it that time. You have to let go just as it leaves.
scary ball. No idea where I am.
Ah! Oh, you've not? What is it you lost power on?
Everything.
Ah.
Got it back.
You got it back?
I can't believe that. Right, the start and stop button.
Hey?
The start and stop button has gone off.
Hey, that was amazing.
Start and stop button go again.
Start, stop button, why is it doing that? Ready? Ah.
So we've got new guys.
Oh, hang on. Mine's been dead. Yeah, go on then. Cocked mine up totally.
Yeah, okay.
Yours is very quiet, dude.
Hey?
Trying to find somewhere to stand up here is a nightmare. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. You need to put yours straight. Oh, mine was a nosedive. Dude.
Yeah?
About this one.
Go up and over that way.
Do you
Over that side.
What do you reckon? Straight over.
I don't know, I reckon I probably go plumb into it, to be honest with you. I'll give it a shot. Yeah, kid, you want to come back to you?
Go, you're alright mate, don't worry about us, just keep going mate, it's fine.
We'll get out of your way.
We'll stay out of your way. Bit worried about doing this, to be honest. You gonna do it with me? Don't chicken out at the last minute.
Well, I'm going to go for it. You got to go on that side now, on this side?
There's nowhere to stand there, because if it comes at you, you're just going to fall off the edge, there's nothing there.
Duck.
What's coming at your body?
Just push it out of the way. You ready?
Hang on, I'm about doing this.
Why?
Because I know it's going to die.
It's going to go up in the air, so...
Are you ready?
Yeah, go on.
Okay, go for it.
You fucking fucker.
You should have gone all out then. Right, we're definitely now on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Oh! Didn't even see that coming then. Oh!
I tried to grab that. I can't slip my hand.
That'll be a good footage.
Checking your face as best I could then. And that wasn't even my fault. When that came up, that just spun out. Dude, that is a slice and a half.
You alright? Yeah, you'll be fine there, dude.
Get that right.
I was so concentrated on getting that to land, I thought I've actually made it. I didn't even see yours coming. I actually didn't see it coming at all.
No, well, it came up, it was nice and straight. It's when it came off the end. Whether
twisted.
Whether it twisted halfway up.
My camera's still straight.
No. I think it's
still recording as well.
I can't see it. 12:01, yeah.
Yeah, cool.
It must have spun out when I was going up.
I hope you've got that on your camera as well.
It came at me, so I would have thought so. Yeah, you look at me. I bled for that. I bled for that.
For that.
I might watch it this time over here.
I'm standing back a bit. You ready?
I need to see it coming up here, that's the problem.
Yeah, but you need it here for landing.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
You ready? I'd do it from here, dude, because you can see it landing.
Certain.
Is it? You ready?
Yeah.
After 3?
Yeah.
1. You sure?
Yeah, yeah.
1, 2, 3. No, 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 no. Brilliant. I was going too slow.
How are you doing, little man?
All good?
Ow.
You managed that jump and you fail on that little piddly one. I think I need some paracetamol after that. I think I need some paracetamol after that in the side of the face. Oh. I'd tell you what, if you could take one of them to the side of the face at full throttle.
I took a lot off that, to be honest, you know. Took an awful lot off that. Because I tell you, that would have hit you right in the back of the neck.
It did. Hit me in my jaw and the side of the back of my head.
Well, when you see the footage, it's like that.
Oh, dude.
I didn't do that.
No, that was as a result of that. Yeah, oh, it's okay. It's alright, I fixed it.
You said you needed a new one.
Yeah, not just yet though. You alright?
Yeah. Just, you know, it's one of those. It's like a paper cut.
Yeah, it just stings like...
When you see it, it's going to be bleeding for an hour, but when you
Worse.
actually see it, that's when it starts stinging. Yeah.
Right, we're gonna have another go. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, try and do it together this time.
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's broke.
You broke it?
Yeah, broke it. Death of the Berserker. Death of the Berserker. That hit hard, that did, dude. Oh.
It's nailed it, man.
That is nailed. Oh, dude.
It's only the pin. Pins come off. The pin come out.
What is that? Yeah, how's that come out of there? Oh, look at that end of there. See it there?
Snaps out.
It's just pushed out and I need a new one of them, whatever they are. Oh well. Trip back to the
Back to the car.
get the Vantages out. Definitely not doing the jumps like that in the Vantage, they definitely won't survive.
Yeah, I'll go up there.
So guys, we just got back to the car. My BSR is dead. I'm trying to hold that for us, mate.
Yeah.
As you can see, back end, the pinion is just snapped out of this little thing here. I'm hoping it won't be too bad and I can just repair it. And you can see inside there where my finger is. It's the piece of, in fact I think I've got spare ones then back at the house.
That'd be good.
So I might be able to get away with that. We'll have a look back. It's not, I don't think it's as bad as it first looks. We won't know till we've put it back to the house and cleaned it all up and checked the drive shafts haven't, the shafts haven't bent or anything like that. We'll get it cleaned up and we'll have a proper look at it. But for now, guys, don't forget, subscribe, hit the bell button, stay in touch with what we're doing. Until next time, see you guys.